friends, a very warm welcome to my channel. This is Shifali, and today we are going to see a very easy and effective method to treat hyperpigmentation. Hyperpigmentation is a common condition in which patches of skin are darker than the surrounding skin. Now, why does hyperpigmentation occur? Hyperpigmentation is caused by the increase of natural pigment called melanin. There are a number of factors that can trigger an increase in the production of melanin, but the major ones are sun exposure, inflammation, an injury or aging, as well as hormonal disturbances. Now, let us see few home remedies to treat hyperpigmentation.
For the first method, you will need a potato, half of a lemon and 1 teaspoon honey. Wash the potato well and peel it off properly. Now, cut it into small pieces and make a fine paste of it. Take the paste out and strain it to extract the potato juice. Now, cut a lemon into 2 equal pieces and squeeze half of the lemon juice to it. Then add a teaspoon of honey. Mix all of the ingredients well. You can store this mixture in refrigerator for 4 days. Now take this paste and apply it on your face. If the consistency of your paste is very flowy, then use a cotton ball. Leave it on your skin for around 40 minutes and wash off your face. Do it continuously for 15 days and see the difference. It will definitely reduce uneven skin tone, blemishes, as well as hyperpigmentation.
Second method is the simplest and useful for you if you do not have honey available at your home.
In the second method, you can simply take a potato slice and rub it around the affected area or your whole face, it's like up to you, for around 5 minutes. Repeat this process for a month to see the major differences in your skin.
Apart from these two methods, the third method requires doing ice facial with potato juice. In this method, you have to take potato juice, lemon juice and cucumber juice all in equal amount and then mix them well. When the mixture is prepared, pour it into an ice tray and freeze it. Now when the ice cubes are ready, then simply take them out and do ice facial. If you do not know how to do ice facial properly, then you can click on the above link and watch out my video. So I have shared the most effective and easy method to get rid of hyperpigmentation. These methods also work for treating acne scars and dark spots. Now note the fact that these methods will only work if you are consistent and regular. I have minimal hyperpigmentation on my skin because I rub potato regularly on my skin. Thanks a lot for watching. Please do hit the like button, and if you have any problem or any query, then drop it down in the comment section below. Also, please hit the subscribe button to watch more home remedies like this. Bye!